Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more tips on saving and making money. Today, we're diving into 5 everyday habits that might be silently draining your wallet. Let's get into it. Habit number 1, daily coffee runs. Now I get it. There's something comforting about starting your day with a hot cup of your favorite brew. But let's do some quick math. Spending $5 a day on coffee? That's $150 a month and a whopping $1,800 a year. Instead, consider brewing your coffee at home. You can still enjoy your caffeine fix while saving a ton of cash. Habit number 2, impulse online shopping. We've all been there, late night scrolling, and suddenly your cart is full. But those small purchases add up quickly. A good rule of thumb: implement a 24-hour rule. Wait a day before purchasing to see if you still really need or want it. Habit number 3, not using a budget. It's so easy to lose track of spending without a plan in place. Creating a simple budget can help you see where your money is going and find areas to cut back. There are tons of free apps out there to help you get started. I'll link a few of my favorites in the description below. Habit number 4, ignoring subscription services. How many subscriptions are you paying for right now? Are you actually using all of them? Go through your statements and cancel the ones you don't use regularly. It's an easy way to save $10, $20, or even $50 a month. Finally, habit number 5, paying full price. Whether it's groceries, clothes, or tech gadgets, there's almost always a way to save. Use cashback apps, search for discount codes, or wait for sales. Small savings can add up to big money over time. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs to see this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep saving and stay savvy.